Good afternoon. You're watching us here on Midcap Radar. I'm Mangalam Malu. With me, Ekta Batra. We come to you live from the CNBC TV18 Motilal Oswal studio. The market's off highs. The Nifty actually at some point was above that 25,650 mark as well, and currently it's a fair distance from that. It's below the 25,500 mark as well, and a large part of that weakness has been caused by the Nifty Bank and also a decline that we saw from the highs on tech stocks after surging in early part of trade. Ekta.
Well, yes, absolutely, Mangalam. You know, we have the Bank Nifty, which has slipped into the red as well, so just about lower by around 0.2% at this point in time. But let's take you through all of the top stories that we're tracking at this hour. A sharp fall in the markets with the low, and it's a choppy market, you'd have to say. So good time then to get in a technical check. We have Ajit Mishra from Religare Broking joining in for that. Ajit, hi, welcome to the show. We are off the day's high. The Bank Nifty is in the red. How would you approach the technicals at this point?
Yeah, good afternoon, Ekta. So, Ekta, yes, means the most important pillar as of now, banking, the day when we see that bit of a profit taking, completely derails the overall, positivity in the market. So while the other sectors, apart from banking, energy, metals, auto, they are holding strong. And but yeah, the underperformance of the IT and a bit of a profit taking in the banking, that is currently weighing on the sentiments. But Ekta, if you see that it's gone almost 3 weeks now that we are seeing that index has been hovering in this band, 25,400, 26,000 mark. Yesterday we breached that mark briefly. Eventually we could manage to hold that area. But largely, if you see that we are making lower highs, lower low structure. So possibility of further dent in the coming sessions is much higher. When it comes to the benchmark. But the pace of decline is going to be gradual considering the banking is still holding strong.
All right. Individual stocks, quick 2 ones, if you could tell us.
Yeah. So, Mangalam, considering the auto tone means we are seeing fresh breakouts. TVS is one such name. Almost 2 months long consolidation range has ended. The stock is at the record high. So we anticipate this overall momentum to continue. 3,800 should be a stop, and 4,100 is something that we are eyeing as a target. At the same time, Bharti Airtel is a sell candidate, almost long-term moving average breakdown with strong volumes. The profit taking is likely to continue. 1820 should be your target area, with stop at 1960.
Okay, all right, Ajit.
Quick one, Ajit. The IT pack, at every bounce it is seeing sell-off. Do you think at current levels there is still more room for shorting, or today's high and the subsequent decline from there has taken the juice away?
So, Mangalam, I feel that we should wait for some bit of a consolidation because yesterday we reached April month of 2025 lows around 30,900 mark in the Nifty IT index, and that's why we are seeing a bit of a relief or rebound. But in case if we fail to recover and reclaim those areas, I doubt that we are going to sustain this level, and probably around 28,000 something that the Nifty IT might test in the coming days. Sell-on rise is something that you should maintain in IT.
Okay, sell on rise is what you should maintain in IT, so no conviction there at this point in time. Thanks very much for joining in and taking us through the technicals of the market and the setup at this point. We'll take a short break, but we'll get you a lot more in terms of specific stocks on the other side.